Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. Today's tutorial is how to generate a fantasy football draft order in Excel. So you'll start by listing out your participants in the league. Then you'll number them 1 to 12 or 1 to 10 depending on the size of your league. I'm going to make this a table by hitting insert in the top ribbon, clicking table. My table has headers. Yes, it does, so I will leave that check marked and hit OK. And then in table styles, I'll make this a black and white table. So in the order generator column, I'm going to hit equals rand. And what rand does is it selects a number between 0 and 1. And if you recall from one of my previous videos, function key F9 recalculates volatile functions. So I'm going to hold function key F9 for a few seconds to randomize the draft order. Now, if you're as serious about this as my friend groups are, you might want to record this on Google Hangouts and then share with everybody after the fact. Then once you are done randomizing, I'll let go and I'll sort this from smallest to largest. But take note, since this is a volatile function, you want to paste these as values first. So I'll hit Control-Alt-B, Enter, and you'll see it's no longer a rand formula. And then sort from smallest to largest, and that's your draft order for the 2020 Fantasy Football League season. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.